Hello, Meowcats. What are you doing today? Today I'm gonna ride a Meowcats hoverboard. Meowcat, I thought you don't know how to ride a hoverboard. Okay, then I'll get it for you. Alright, guys, here's the hoverboard. Now I'm gonna give this to Meowcat. He never rides this hoverboard. He never rided a hoverboard before. Close that door. Meowcat, it's ready. Okay, Meowcat. Alright, here I go. First, ride it. Next, I need to show you how to ride. You're on the hoverboard and then you can... Alright, Meowcat. Here it goes. How do I get to jump on? See how I'm sitting on it? You won't see, you won't fall off, Meowcat. Alright, I got this Meowcat's thing. If I don't fall off this Meowcat's hoverboard. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where my Meowcat's going? Whoa, Meowcat! Meow, meow! Okay, I'm done riding this Meowcat's thing. Meow!